Hi friends, welcome to Easy Nude Makeup Look Over 50. I'm Holly Carter. I've been in the skincare business for 27 years and I'm here to help busy people look and feel more confident inside and out without expensive treatments and procedures. Okay, so what we're gonna do is do Easy Nude Makeup Look. And please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you never miss a video. I want to apologize for missing the video last week. I had to go help my parents with some challenges in Houston, where I'm from, and I just didn't get it done, but I will work on that for the next week or two in the future. Also, please check out my free guide on 10 tips to a younger me without a visit to the dermatologist. It's in the description below. I can also provide personalized service if anyone needs help. I have a Facebook page and you can check that out, Holly Carter Beauty. Okay, let's get started. So what we're gonna do is I've got these colors picked out. So I've got nude shades, and you can use a combination of, this is my blush. You can use a combination of matte or shimmer, or all matte or all shimmer, it doesn't matter. But these neutral shades, which would be like medium, these are like sort of in the brown. This is a rose gold. This is sort of a reddish brown. But you could use, combinations of grays or browns or, pretty much any color. But the neutral shades, obviously, okay? So what we're gonna start with is, I've got my all over eyeshadow brush, and I'm gonna start with the rose gold color in the middle, okay? And I'm going to put that on my lid all the way up to the crease on both sides. And this is just sort of a medium shade, okay? And these are great just to, for an everyday look. I mean, you can also jazz them up for an evening look if you need to. You can kind of make it smoky even, but it's still nude. That's the great thing about it. Okay, then I'm gonna take my lightest shade, this one, and I'm going to put that on the inner corner, both sides. And then I'm also going to put it up just under my eyebrow, on my brow bone for a highlight. Okay. Then I'm going to grab the darkest shade. And I'm going to take my brush, and so I have hooded eyes. So I have to put this up on my brow bone, because if I don't, you won't see the color. If I just put it in the crease, it would sort of disappear. So you might have to go higher if you have hooded eyes too, kind of uncomfortably high. But I'm just going to swipe it back and forth and get it up there. And then on the outer corner, I'm just going to kind of make it come in like a wedge a little bit. You want to make sure you keep your eyeshadow not past the end of your eyebrow, or it will kind of look weird. And just make sure you blend it in so you can't see lines. Now I'm going to do on the other side. And I just sort of do like a sweep motion back and forth. And you can make it a little more dramatic if you want to. That's up to you. Okay, I'm going to take a different brush and I'm going to use the darkest shade, and I'm going to use it for an eyeliner underneath my lower lash line. I don't know what it is, but when I use eyeliner a lot of times, even if it's waterproof sometimes, there's just something about my eyes and it just ends up running down my face. It doesn't seem to matter what I do with it. So, and plus this just sort of gives it a softer look, right? Okay, now I'm gonna do eyeliner in a minute, but I'm gonna grab blush. So here's my blush brush, and I'm gonna use this neutral blush, and I'm gonna just stipple it on my cheekbones. And this is just a great color, and I tend to put a little bit more on when I'm on camera, but okay. I'm gonna grab, I also just like to put my lip liner on and my lipstick because I feel like I look more put together. So I'm using sort of a dark nude lip liner. I have one that's, you know, the same color as my lips, but I don't like how it looks. It just blends in too much. Okay. Now my lipstick. There's my lipstick. And then I've also got a lip gloss that's a nude shade. There it is. I need to put my glasses on so I can see what that looks like. Yeah, okay. Now I'm gonna do eyeliner. So I've got my black eyeliner and I use a gel eyeliner with a tiny brush. And what I'm gonna do is put it in the eyeliner, but I'm gonna put the excess on my hand because I don't wanna dip this brush after it's been on my eyes back into the pot because I don't know, I think it just, the bacteria grows and I get a sty, so we don't want that. So I'm just gonna go along my, right at my lash line. And if you're, I just made a mess, of course. If you're good at like a winged liner, then go for it. It's really hard with my hooded eyes, so I just don't do it. It's just easier for me to just do regular. And definitely have your makeup remover close by, which of course I didn't do. There's one. Of course, this eye is always tougher. That way, if you need to pick up more color eyeliner from your hand, you can do that, and then you're not contaminating the gel eyeliner. You can also just grab a Q-tip to sort of clean it up if needed, which I really made a big mess of that one. Okay, so then I'm gonna do mascara. Here's my mascara curler, my eyelash curler, not mascara curler, eyelash curler. And I just got over a sty. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take out the wand, and I have disposable wands. And I'm gonna use those for another like week or so to make sure that I don't get the sty back. And then I have to throw my mascara out again. So once you've stuck this wand into the mascara, don't stick it back in there. And you can just get disposable mascara wands like on Amazon, which is where I got these. Make sure that you, oh, I'm just making a mess of this eye. Make sure that you push the head of the mascara wand on tight, because sometimes they're a little loose. They come out and then they get stuck in your mascara container. Okay, I'm gonna get rid of that one and curl the other side. And I have really straight, like my hair is straight, and I've got this silly clip in my hair just so I don't get it in my face. But I have really straight lashes and straight hair. And just, you know, I usually do a couple of coats of mascara. Sometimes I put it on the lower lashes, sometimes I don't. Sometimes it can look a little spidery. And there we go. We're done. How hard was that? So quick and easy, and it's a great option for every day. So again, please hit the subscribe button and share it with your friends. Let's pull my hair out. There we go. And I hope to see you next time. You guys have a great day.